Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Cashapp cash card. Let's get straight into the video. To activate the cash card, all you got to do is open the Cashapp on your mobile device, and then you want to tap the card icon at the bottom of the screen, and then just follow the activation instructions to activate your cash card. Now, when it comes to using the cash card, there are a couple of things that you can do with it. You can use your cash card to make purchases online or in store anywhere Visa is accepted. You could also withdraw cash from ATMs using your cash card. You could also get cash back at participating merchants with your cash card. Now, a couple of tips and reminders for your cash card. First is to keep your cash card information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. You also want to make sure that you monitor your cash card activity to detect any suspicious transactions. Also, use your cash card responsibly and within your means. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Cashapp cash card. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.